At the best price you will see all year, colorful markers, pencils, erasers, they are all irresistible buys, and today a reason to enjoy school supplies all the more. Scoop them up, we say, and make a towering tribute to the start of school, an eye-catching school supply cake that you can then share. Georgana Hall is getting the creative juices going at our work table today. Great to see you.
Yes.
I'm declaring this the happiest display, right? Table arrangement of the month, because what is it about school supplies that gets our heart fluttering?
And no matter the age, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. I could skip down that back to school supply aisle with no need to purchase anything and still feel so happy. There was a quote we shared on the show a couple weeks ago, something to the effect of, we like school supplies because it gives us the illusion we have our lives together.
Oh, for real?
Doesn't it?
Yeah, those sharp pencils.
Yes, I've got sharpened pencils.
Brand new
what else do I
markers.
need? This idea, though, really does tip on the cute scale. It would make a great teacher gift as well. We're planning that idea.
Yes, very much. Because you always get those teacher supply lists, and they always need things for their schoolroom. And so this is just a way to kick it up a notch and put smiles on everybody's face.
So we're calling it a school supply cake. It's kind of a school supply centerpiece. It could double as that in your home if you wanted to keep it for yourself. What do we need to get started?
Okay, so you're going to want to look at your school supply list for what, if you're making this for your teacher, for your classroom. Right. So I looked at my kids. They all need like these antibiotic wipes.
Always.
They can never have enough. You know, like the number 2 pencils, rulers, those kind of things. So that's what I kind of stemmed this off of, because I knew a teacher would really need this.
But what I'm hearing you say is you could pull this off with any needed school supply on the list, basically.
Sure. Yes.
How have you stabilized this at the base?
Okay, well, I made a simple one here because you can just use some cardboard. Maybe a dollar store pizza pan would work great too, because that's inexpensive. So this one's a really simple, easy one to just kind of tower on itself. But as I was making it, I kind of found things were slipping and moving. So I kind of perfected it and created this really awesome school supply base that you can get.
That's what we appreciate. Someone who does the legwork and perfects it for us.
And makes it easy.
What's in this base?
Okay, so this comes with the wood base, and then it has actually this tier that you can just put on top to help stabilize it, because that's when I was making this one, my pencils were falling through, and I didn't want to go the time of gluing things.
So it's a disc that becomes that kind of in-between layer.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
And then we're just going to build up on it, and then there's this cute pencil that you can put on top. So
adorable. And you're stuffing to fill kind of in the gaps?
Yes. Okay, so once you get started, you're going to put your so I use the antibiotic wipes on the bottom.
Okay.
And you can use the big tubes like these, or you can use these small ones. And then my secret sauce to this is using a rubber band to go around it to hold everything in.
It's a big rubber band.
Actually, it's just this size. It's stretched really good.
Oh my gosh, I'll just close my eyes and back up while you do that. Okay.
And so then that way you can rubber band everything, and then I put the stuffing in, and that kind of holds everything together. So we'll go ahead and we'll build the second tier so we can see.
Let's point out some extra touches here. You've wrapped the anti-back wipes in cute cardstock paper.
Yes, just because that just makes it look cuter, right?
And you've covered that stretchy rubber band with a cute bright colored ribbon.
That's right.
I love it.
Okay, so you can see I just kind of place everything here, and then I'm going to take that rubber band, and I'm just going to kind of place it over these.
This is a craft you need like 10 hands for.
And now the great thing about the rubber band is it does give you some leeway, so then you can kind of stretch things out and add to it.
Fill it in more.
And that's why this paper, just any kind of packing paper, works great.
Yes.
Because it allows you to kind of stretch that and move it around.
See, I love the school supply idea so much that I'm kind of feeling selfish. Can I keep this on my table for a couple weeks and then give the teacher gift?
Make it like a homework station, right?
Yeah, why not?
That'd be so cute. Okay, so you can kind of move things around like that. Now, because it's the rubber band, then that allows you to add to it and put those other pieces. Yes. Okay. So you can put those in. And then, like on here, you can put the rulers down in here.
This is darling.
So these are just really functional items that a teacher is going to absolutely be so happy about.
And from the cute scale again, referencing the cute scale, the color palette is there for you. The bright rainbow colors. Yeah. We'll top this off. This is adorable.
It's a cute little dot that says school on it.
Yes.
And then fill this, because now that's kind of empty. Fill it with your highlighters, fill it with your Sharpies, you know, just really kind of decorate it. I went to my kids' kindergarten class last year and helped, and oh my goodness, these things the kids like ate.
They're a hit,
like,
right?
A teacher can need those all year long.
Those eraser toppers.
So just sit and fill that.
Okay.
And then you could wrap it with cellophane or something if you need to transport it to the school.
Move it to and fro. I think every teacher wants a mom like you in their classroom. If it comes with this practical,
so fun.
Yeah, resourceful, and also darling as well.
And then they can keep this in their classroom all year and kind of decorate around it too.
I love it. This is kind of the granddaddy teacher gift idea. You've got some other ideas to share with us too.
Yeah, so I just think fun little ways you can personalize gifts. This is great for grandmas giving stuff to their grandkids going back to school, or maybe as a mom you want to just like, you know, put a little special touch to it. So there are these free downloadable tags that are just have fun puns. Like this one, it's going to be a remarkable year. This one I thought was so cute. I couldn't have picked a better teacher, and that has the chapstick in it.
Love it.
So just fun downloads. This one I thought was really cute. Thanks for helping me grow, and then give them a cute plant.
Love it.
I would want one that's fake, so I don't have to water it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then this was a fun one to just do like a homework station to keep at your house.
Yeah.
Because your kids are always looking for pencils and things like that.
I have to point out too what you've done with those mason jars, painting it with the apple, like the green rim and the red base, and here we have a pencil-inspired one with the yellow base and kind of that rubber pink top. Yeah. That alone makes just a simple statement, doesn't it?
Yeah, and something the teacher would want to keep on their desk.
And it's a time of year, as is Valentine's Day, as is St. Patrick's Day, where the puns are totally appropriate and appreciated, right?
That's
Teachers appreciate those more than anyone else. All right, where can we get the printables?
Okay, so you can get those on adornit.com/back-to-school.
You're always inspiring us with great ideas. So head over to the Adornit website. We'll link you there. From our website to make it easy, you can get those printables, slap them on some school supplies, and Georgana's made your job as room mom so easy. So we appreciate you for that. Happy back to school.
Thanks for
Tomorrow,
having me.
Good luck.
Yes.
Good luck.